Hi, my name is Nick Theodore, President and CEO of the Theodore Group and an Integrity Marketing Partner. Today I'm sitting with a good friend of mine from South Florida, Chris Barnhart. You're actually a client, right?
Yeah, it sure was. I got some of those cards, just wanted to make sure it was paid off for my grandma, and here we are now.
Right, yeah, you protected your home. You know, we were actually a client too in this industry back in 2009. But we're contacting you here, and you're watching this video because you have something very valuable in your possession, a life insurance license. That is a ticket for you to be able to just basically write whatever kind of income and lifestyle that you want if you're with a company that'll allow you to do that. And I believe that we have a fantastic system and opportunity where you can get out there and make a six-figure, multi-six-figure income, even seven-figure plus like we have over the years. So we're going to talk about what we do. We specialize in living benefit, simplify issue life insurance. So no medical exam, not just death insurance, but we're talking about stuff that will pay in the event of a heart attack, stroke, cancer, things like that. We also have profit sharing. I give back personally about $30,000 to $40,000 of profit sharing every single month back to our team, people like Chris and other agents and managers in our group. So we want to talk to you about 5 main points to see if this is a good fit for you with your license. We'll talk about, who trains you, right? We'll talk about who we sell for, the insurance companies, who we sell to, who our client base is, how you get paid, and then if you're also looking to be part of our expansion mode right now, and a couple of reasons why we're doing that. So let's talk about who trains you first, Chris, right? So let's say you're in Florida, close to Naples, but you hire somebody out in Missouri, right? How are you going to be able to get them trained even though you're not physically next to each other?
So we have Zoom calls, 3 a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, as well as a lot of dialing sessions and various websites that show you our presentations. We'll give you the dialing scripts and really lead by example. You know, it's easy for somebody to say they're doing it, but you're going to watch us do it, and we'll help you duplicate that as well.
Right, and so you're going to be the person who's going to actually be helping you get through the steps and training and underwriting for the client and helping them pick the product out. So you're going to be like their lifeline in this industry, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, and you're one of our top salespeople too. So you don't have to be in this industry for like 2 decades to get good at this, right? Like Chris got good at it like right away, right? Now let's talk about who we sell for. We got a whole bunch of different companies, about 12.5 companies that have basically simplify issue, which means no medical exam, products that have high face amounts in the $400,000, $500,000, $600,000 range with no medical exam, but have living benefits already tied to it that you don't have to be super healthy for. Okay, and so we put all of these together under one umbrella so that we are typically selling those. It's term, universal life, and whole life, right? With living benefits. We have one company actually that I actually helped build an exclusive product for about 6 years ago. And it takes a wider risk of person, right? Somebody who's in their like 62 years old and just had a heart attack a year ago. Most people could not find anything except a guarantee issue policy to cover that person. We can get you up to like $300,000 at a cheaper rate than the competitors, even if they didn't have a heart attack, right? It takes a wider risk of person and it's cheaper by about 20%.
Exactly.
Have you ever ran into somebody's home and they wanted to buy insurance, but you just didn't have anything for them?
Actually, no, I don't have that problem with our carriers. If you actively have cancer or if you've recently had anything crazy, there's always somebody that we can put you with.
Right. Even as long as you're not over the age of 89, we can help you get covered.
Exactly.
We have companies that don't even have height weight tables. Like we got two products for people that don't have height weight limits. Okay. I remember we got this one guy covered who was like 585 pounds. And we got him like $50,000 of whole life coverage. Hopefully he's still alive, but you never know. Let's talk about who we sell to. Okay, so we've got clients that typically fill out forms that for mortgage protection, and you might have worked with mortgage protection before. Those leads are like the golden leads of the industry. People fill out a form, say, I want insurance for this purpose. You get it. You got to buy it, right? And here's the thing: that profit sharing all goes into a lead bucket for you, right? So let's say, Chris, you earn $1,000 this month in lead credit, right? Profit sharing. I put $1,000 of real money into an account that the only thing Chris can spend it on is leads. That's how good they are, okay? That's how good they are. We got 4 companies, 3 of which are the regular direct mail mortgage protection leads. We've got a 4th one that's just launching right now, all in all 50 states, where we're actually going to get exclusive leads, less expensive, by the way, than direct mail, but closed at the mortgage table, at the closing table for people's loans. Long before the lead companies even know that they have a mortgage and become a lead, we're actually going to be able to get in there and take care of them before anybody else even knows it. Cool stuff. Those are cheaper and 100% exclusive. They're never going to get recycled either. So we're really excited about those. That's one of our reasons for expansion right now, because we're going to be getting thousands of those every single week. And right now we've got about 90 to 100 people that sell insurance with our group every single week, and we will not be able to handle all those. So we are looking to double, triple over the next 12 to 18 months. And so we're looking for good quality people for that. So let's talk about getting paid, right? You're not going to start off at a starter contract. You're going to, if you've got an insurance license, we're going to move you up a little bit. A typical commission will probably be like $800-900, maybe $1,000, and you'll get 3/4 of that up front. The other quarter comes in at the end of the year, right? Like when after you got into this business for about 9-10 months, you start getting what we call the back end money coming in. It kind of feels like you're getting a little bit of a raise, right? Which is kind of cool. And you can earn a higher contract all the way up to 140% with our company, and bonuses as well. And then the last thing too is we're looking for people that, like you, Chris, right? Who says, you know what, I want to sell insurance, but I'm also looking to expand and be a manager. So if somebody wants to do that as well, that can be something that we discuss and see if you qualify, because we put you into a hierarchy here where you're not just a writing agent, but you're also a general agent, which gives you the ability to hire people if you want to. If you don't, hey, no worries at all. So Chris, if somebody wants to have a conversation with you about this, what would be the next step?
So you're going to want to shoot me a text message at 239-366-6477, and I'll get back to you to set up an interview time, and we can get you running as quickly as you'd like.
Yeah, we've got an incredible training process that it's online, it's at your pace, right? But being that they have a license, hey, these people could have a conversation with you, get rolling, get them contracted right away, show them the ropes of everything, and you could be getting paid in a week.
Easily, even sooner. If you really want it, you just got to show that initiative, and we'll get you where you want to be.
Yeah, if you're hungry for it, we'll put you to the front of the list. Take care. We hope to see you on the team.